Bishies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, your Bishi Emzzz. Kumusta naman po kayo? As you can see on the title, my first ever PR package, or I received package right here, and this is from Stylevana. Yeah, Stylevana. Yun. Isa siyang online shop, more on skincare, makeup products, Korean products, something like that. So Stylevana is a one-stop online shop to purchase the trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products. And I got here a one-shot eye palette from CHICO. And there you go. So I believe, yeah, this is from made in Korea. And so this is how it looks like. Ayan. So, and then I also got here Aquatide Resurface Serum. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. And then I also have here Chateau LABIOTTE. LABIOTTE. This is how it looks like. Wine. Ay, oo, yung mga pa-wine style. Ayan. And they also gave me two face masks. So I have here the Jigott Angels in Sky. This one right here. Vitamin Real Ampoule Mask. This one naman is Natural Hydration Maintains Moisture. So this one is Blueberry Hydrating Mask. So I want to try this face mask right here. Ang sabi dito, apply toner after a face wash. Open the pouch and apply mask with the film liner to fit it evenly on the face and discard the film liner. Alright, so buksan na natin. Smells good. Kasi tika na yan. Yeah, I'm just gonna, So it's been like 20 minutes already. So tanggalin na natin itong ating face mask. Although medyo wet pa siya and juicy. Alright, so first impressions of face mask. I like it. Actually, I really like it because the serum is so nice. Okay, so let's move on. So I have here a Logically Skin Aquatide Resurface Serum. So I'm gonna apply this on my face. Ooh, a little squirt along the way. Wow. So of course, we are going to try naman yung palette na sinend nila sa akin. So this one is from CHICA CHICO or CHICO. I don't know how to pronounce this. So this is the one shot eye palette in the shade number Night Drink. So this is made in Korea. And names ng mga colors, as you can see. And it's so very small, as in. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetic Rose Gold brush number 6, and then I'm gonna dip it into the shade. This one right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that for our transition color. I think transition color, as you can see, this is like a kind of peachy, na parang may pagka-red wine kind of vibe. But I like the color of this shade. So, ang next naman natin gagamitin is, I'm gonna smoke out a little bit our outer corner. So I'm gonna use the Coffee Cocktail, which one right here. Put that here. Para mas smoke out lang. Alrighty, Bishies! So as you can see, ayan, okay na yung ating halo camera turret. And then the last step is, of course, we are going to add some shimmer on it. We will see. Right, so ayun na nga. Oh, diba? Ang daming fallout. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. So, siya using the finger. And then on this side. Alright, so as you can see, tapos na ang ating eye makeup. And ano masasabi ko? So far so good. And next naman natin is, of course, our lip tint. So this is in the shade Shiraz Red. Alright, so tuloy na lang natin siya. Alrighty, Bishies, and here is the final look using all the products that I've received from Stylevana. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Thank you so much, Stylevana, for sending me these products and for trusting me to review or promote your online shop, Kemirot Barurot. for skincare and for Asian fashion, makeup, beauty, or whatever. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you to my next one. Bye!